New Year's resolution, whether you care about them or not, goal setting matters. Most people don't make it past February. And sure, you've heard of the usual reasons like lack of motivation and unclear goals, but here's what I see in my clinical practice. And it's not just that, because you can write down all the smart goals you want, have the perfect blueprint, step-by-step plans, and still fail. That's not the problem. We live in a time where information is everywhere. We're over-consuming information. You can Google and watch YouTube to do almost anything and to learn almost anything, but knowing how isn't enough. The real question is, why? Most people fail because their reasons and their why isn't compelling enough. It's too surface level. I want to lose weight. I want to make more money. But those reasons, they don't shake you to your core. Your reason needs to hit your bones. It has to light something inside of you, a mission, one that gets you moving even when you don't feel like it. Because discipline doesn't just show up when it's convenient. It shows up when your reason demands it. So before you set another goal, whether it's for New Year's resolution or not, ask yourself, does my reason make me rise up? Because if it doesn't, start there. Stack your reasons, dig deep. What's driving you this year?